driving a car, and I'd be like, what is happening here? And with Drew, and oh, it's this type of noise or some. And what I also very much liked is not only their experience, their smarts, but their attitude towards the car and how they fix it. I think is pretty unique. It's different from a lot of places. Like Mike, you got us saying what's best for the car, what's best for the customer, and just the way, especially Drew, because Drew's been here for so long, but a lot of the process
It'll
and
be 18 years in April.
yes, and the way of how things are done are because Drew is just like a embodies integrity like in a technician. The way he does, it's not about just the fastest way or quickest or get to the next. There's certain things it's like that's not right, and we're gonna make it that it's right. Like a lot of things, or I've seen in the past working at other places. Say a car comes in, you take the wheels off, like oh my gosh, you've got to hammer it off because it's so corroded or rusted and stuck on both the hub and the back of the rim. And I've seen guys before, and you just drill it in till it goes tight, and it's like that's not right. Like that's not a proper way, and it takes a little bit. It's not fun to buff it off and be inhaling the dust, but it needs to be right. And all kinds of little steps, and seeing it's what in the end it's pays off in your favor. So it's you've done the job right. You can feel good about your repair, and especially at this place, most of the customers are repeat customers. So if you cut a corner or whatever on then you're just making more work for yourself or a headache for yourself the next time, because that's you kind of pass it forward. Like it's long term. It's not just something comes and you fix it and that's it and band-aid kind of repair. It's about doing it right. And those guys do that in everything that they do. So that was, I think, the main reasons why it's like, I think this is one of the best place that you could do your apprenticeship, because there's that real difference. There's a lot of people that can do a repair or fix a car, but there's things that make a difference in the method that are shown in the quality of, ultimately the quality of the work.
Well, I appreciate that statement, James. But for the record, we're not putting down any other shop out there or dealership, and we're not focusing on Urban Automotive. This is James and focusing on apprenticeship, and if it's worth for you to come in on board. And obviously, yeah, we are looking for apprentices now because we've got James as another licensed tech, so we've got room because we're allowed one apprentice per licensed tech. So we had you with, I think you're under me, James, believe it or not. Yeah.
The grease guru.
So the grease guru. So, and then we got Dylan and Alex underneath Mark and Drew, or Dylan will be. He's still waiting to get signed up, but Alex, I think, is under Mark. So, yeah, it's we're excited for you, James. I'm excited for your future, and knowing that, you know what, the whole thing for me is passing on a legacy to the individuals that I work with. Whether you end up staying with me for years, which I certainly hope is the case, or whether you choose to branch out and do your own thing, which I've had many, many individuals that I've worked with over the years do. The main important thing for me, being the business owner and the guy that's trying to encourage people to come into our trade, is that your experience here is a positive one, and that you are better off for having been part of our group. And that's always been my goal for any individual that comes in.